Hey fam, welcome to yet another episode of Factology Hub 1.0. You will not believe this. Did you know our entire solar system is printing? What if future astronauts tell you a black hole was found? Our entire solar system
entanglement is basically state
and building the future. Imagine messing up so bad, it's not like oops, wrong ingredient, but a gigantic universe-sized mistake. But get this epic fail actually reveals one of the biggest, ghostliest things ever seen. We're talking about something so huge that it could easily eat up our Milky Way galaxy. That too, twice. No cap. So this is the insane true story of a teenager, a school project, and a discovery that made the astronomers' jaw drop. A ghostly fingerprint of a dead supermassive black hole. A crazy echo of power. Now, first let's talk about the student and the survey. Alright, so get this. This is Julian Shapiro, a 17-year-old high school kid from New York City. Just a normal student. Homework, classes, just the usual, right? But wait, Julian is also an independent astronomer, hunting for secrets of the universe from his computer. In fact, he wasn't even looking for black holes. No, he was on a mission to find supernova remnants. You know, the awesome leftovers when giant stars explode. Boom! So Julian is digging through this gigantic space database called DCAP S2. It's like a mega photo album of our galaxy, with pictures from this insanely powerful dark energy camera from Chile. This survey is massive. Billions of stars and terabytes of data. We could easily call it a treasure chest for astronomers. And Julian's there like a space detective, searching images after images for signs of the exploded stars. The oops moment. Something's definitely not right. The kid spends weeks, maybe even months, staring at the space pictures, image after image. Then he sees it. Something weird. A strange remnant of light that was not a normal supernova remnant. Those usually have like a clear center or cool wispy bits. But this thing, totally different. No wisps, no clear explosion point. Julian's probably thinking at that point of time, did I mess this up? Is the data wrong? Or is this a glitch? That's the oops moment, when what you see makes no sense. Most people, they would just ignore it, saying probably nothing. But not Julian. He knew this was something freaky, something that didn't fit. He literally said it was a real surprise to stumble upon this. And the surprise was that he found something which was much more interesting than what he was looking for. And this made it unbelievably strange. The revelation, a ghost of unfathomable scale. And this is where it gets absolutely insane. This thing was so weird that they needed a better look. So this kid Julian, a genius, gets data from another monster telescope, the South African Large Telescope. This thing can literally see what stuff is made of light years away. The results, mind-blowing. They found super energized oxygen and sulfur. You don't find that just chilling in space. It means this stuff got blasted by insane radiation. This wasn't just an exploding star. No way. This was the mark of something way bigger. A supermassive black hole that used to be active. Julian accidentally found a light echo. So here it is. Picture a giant lighthouse, billions of times stronger than our sun, just on for ages and ages. And then, bam, it goes dark. But its light keeps going, hinting gas clouds far away and lighting them up. That's the light echo, a cosmic ghost. Julian himself said these outer gas regions are being ionized by a supermassive black hole, making this echo. So now we can say that the oops wasn't just an oops at all. It was the key to something unbelievable. Okay, so what is even this black hole ghost? Let me tell you. Supermassive black holes, they're in the middle of most of the galaxies, even ours. These aren't just baby black holes from one star. These are monsters, millions, even billion times bigger than our sun. Usually they're quiet, but sometimes they wake up and go active. That's when tons of gas dust, and even stars get sucked in. This stuff spins around, gets super hot, and glows brighter than entire galaxies. That's the black hole party, blasting out crazy radiations. Now imagine this party animal runs out of snack or just calms down. The black hole gets quiet, dark, but all that radiation it already shot out, it's still traveling. And when it hits the gas clouds, maybe hundreds of thousands of light years away, it zaps them, makes them glow like a giant neon sign. That glow from a black hole that's now sleeping is the light echo. It's like seeing smoke after a huge fire, a ghost of something epic. And the size of Julian's ghost, you're not ready for this. He thinks it's between 150,000 to 250,000 light years across. And our entire Milky Way galaxy is like 100,000 light years. So this thing is 1.5 times to 2.5 times bigger than our entire galaxy. So if this is real, this could be the biggest light echo ever found. It's so big, light takes hundreds of thousands of years just to cross it. Absolutely insane. So why should you care about this giant space ghost? This is huge news, people. First, it's like a time machine. Supermassive black holes literally shape galaxies. When they're active, they blast out insane energy, messing with star formation. Starting it, stopping it. Crazy stuff. But they don't stay active forever. Most are chill now, like the one in our Milky Way. These light echoes, they're fossils. They show us what the black hole was doing in the past, even though it's quiet now. How bright was it? How long it was on? What did it do to its neighborhood? We can find out. Second, the size of this thing is bonkers and makes us ask a lot of crazy questions. Like, how did it get so big? Was the black hole that made it super powerful or active for an extra long time? Or are the gas clouds just super far away? Another black hole expert, Sasha Plavin, tells us a ton in fact, about how these black holes work. Comparing it to others, it could reveal if it grew faster or slower. Big clues. Third, it helps us understand the entire life of these cosmic beasts. They eat, they roar, they sleep. These echoes show us the aftermath, the whole story. It's a cosmic time capsule to study how these monsters affect everything. And lastly, this proves how awesome this new space surveys are. TCAP S2 has so much data, it's built for these kind of surprise discoveries. Julian even said this thing is so big in the sky, it's easier to get good pictures of it. That means more secrets will be uncovered. But guys, forget the space stuff for a second. This is also an incredible human story. Julian Shapiro, a high school student, made a discovery most top astronomers only dream of. He wasn't in some mega lab. He was just an independent astronomer, just curious. This shows anyone can do amazing science now. With all this data online, if you are dedicated, you can make huge discoveries, no matter how old you are. Julian was looking for one thing and found something way bigger. We can call it a total happy accident. So many big discoveries are like that. You see something weird and instead of ignoring it, you chase it down. Julian even said he was surprised to get into this, but he hopes this discovery will teach us more about how galaxies work, because we still don't know a lot. His work is a proof that you gotta look close and think hard. This isn't just awesome for Julian, it's inspiration for every young person who loves science. You don't need a PhD to change the world. If you're curious and dedicated, you can find amazing things. The universe has so many mysteries, and the next big discovery could come from anyone and anywhere. Maybe even you, working on a school project right now. So now you tell me, what blows your mind the most about this? The insane size of this ghost, the fact that a teenager found it, or what it teaches us about these secretive black holes? Let me know in the comments right now. And if you want more of these crazy space discoveries and the awesome people behind them, smash that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next space adventure. Julian Shapiro's accidental find of this record-breaking black hole ghost is much more than a cool story. It's a huge scientific breakthrough that changes how we see supermassive black holes and their crazy impact on the universe. It proves the universe can still shock us, showing off its ancient secrets with these ghostly echoes of unimaginable power. From a simple school project to potentially shattering records, it shows the universe is massive, full of wonders, and anyone at any age can make an epic discovery. This cosmic oops gave us a new ghostly landmark in space, a silent reminder of a giant that once roared, found by a super smart young explorer. The ghost has been spotted. The universe just got even bigger and more amazing. Let's go. For more mind-blowing and intriguing facts, keep following Factology Hub 1.0. Keep thinking.